In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to edit exercise details in MyFitnessPal through a quick and simple tutorial. Whether you're updating your exercise routine or correcting a typo, this guide will walk you through the process step by step so that you can easily modify your entries and keep your fitness journey on track. First things first, go ahead and open the MyFitnessPal app on your device. If it's not already installed, you'll need to download it from the App Store or Google Play, depending on your device. Once the app is open, you'll see a screen that prompts you to log in. Click on the login button to proceed. Enter your email address and password on the login page. Make sure this information is entered correctly to avoid any login issues. If you've forgotten your password, use the option to reset it so you can access your account. After you've entered your credentials, click on Login once more to proceed. Now that you're logged in, you'll find yourself at the MyFitnessPal dashboard. This is the main hub where you can track your food, exercise, and progress. Look for the plus sign icon, typically located at the bottom or the top of the screen, depending on your app version. Clicking on this icon will bring up several tracking options. From these options, select Exercise. This will open the exercise log where you can add or edit your workouts. Next, you'll want to click on the specific exercise you wish to modify. If you've logged multiple exercises, you'll see them listed here, so be sure to select the correct one. Once you've chosen the exercise, tap on My Exercises. This will bring up the details of your selected exercise, allowing you to see and adjust information such as duration, calories burned, and any specific notes you've left about the workout. This is your opportunity to correct any errors or adjust the details to better match what you actually did. After making the necessary edits, it's important to save your changes to ensure they're reflected in your exercise log. Look for the checkmark icon, which is usually located in the top right corner of the screen. Click on the checkmark to save all the changes you've made. And that's it. You've successfully edited an exercise in MyFitnessPal. With these steps, you can easily modify any workout entry to reflect your actual exercises. Keeping accurate track of your fitness activities can significantly impact your overall wellness journey. And with MyFitnessPal, it's simple and straightforward. Thanks for watching today's tutorial. I hope you found it helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more quick tutorials and tips to make your health tracking experience easy and efficient. See you next time.